Does your suspension leave you wanting more? We've got a solution here. It's our QA1 PromoStar Series strut. Hey, it's Trevor here with QA1, and today I'm really excited to showcase with you our QA1 PromoStar Series coilover strut. It's a fantastic design, offers high levels of performance, ride quality, handling improvements for just about any application, and it's all designed and built right here in Lakeville, Minnesota. So it's a quality product made right in the USA. All right, so let's take a real close look here at the design of the strut and what makes it so unique. You'll notice right away that it doesn't look anything like your conventional style strut that you'd find typically, mainly this massive piston rod here. And that's because this is an inverted style strut. It's going to mean a number of performance advantages to you with this inverted design. It's going to keep it as a lightweight package, one of the lightest coilover assemblies on the market. Keep the unsprung weight real low for free suspension movement, and also the performance of it is going to be very high in that the piston rod with such a large diameter is really going to resist a lot of flexing under high inputs and high loads, keeping the alignment of the car more consistent throughout the travel and keep the driving confidence there even when you're really loading up the suspension. And let's work our way from bottom to top here in terms of the overall design of this. Starting at the base here, we've got an aluminum black anodized body, really clean look to it. No requirement for any kind of like coilover sleeve or extra hardware involved. It's just all right machined into the body now. And this allows a clean look, clean install, ease of use. Moving up from there, we talked about the inverted strut design and the performance advantages there. So next we've got our caster camber assembly at the top here, our caster camber plates. They'll allow you to maintain consistent alignment in the car and also correct the alignment when you've lowered the vehicle or changed the stance. Moving up from there, we've got an adjustable valve. We've got some valving options to suit a variety of needs. We've got our single adjust valving. This will be really tailored to street cars, anywhere from a cruiser car to a pretty high performance style street car, even some moderate track day setups. It'll really shine in those applications. And then we also have a double adjust option as well, which allows you to tune your compression valving independent from your rebound valving. With that amount of control, you can tune the car to perform for weight transfer at the drag strip. You can keep body roll down if it's a handling application like an autocross or track car. So a lot of versatility in the strut valving as well to suit any needs. The coilover kits will be offered in a variety of configurations to best suit the application they're intended for. So we'll have kits that you can outfit a street car, drag car, or a intensive handling type setup. You can be confident with those kits that they'll come with the appropriate strut valving and spring rate combination to really perform at its best in those applications. All right, I hope I could showcase all the features and benefits that the QA1 PromoStar Series coilover strut has to offer today. It's really a fantastic solution for just about any strut front end car that you're looking for the most amount of performance out of it, the ride height adjustability, suitable in just a whole variety of applications, from the smoothest riding street cars to the highest performing race applications and anywhere in between. So really a versatile, well-designed product, and thank you for joining me.